Hey guys, I want to show you this really cool feature that Printful has come out with somewhat recently. I want to say it's probably within the last month or two. I just haven't gotten around to making a video about it. But if you have ever wanted to have the ability to like arc or curve your texts in your design, you'll see them kind of circular and stuff like that, then you would be pleased to know that Printful has actually added this feature into their design platform. Okay, so I'm just going to walk you through this real quick and I'll show you a couple other little tricks that they have added in as well recently. I am on the home page here and I'm going to go to the mockup generator. And I am just going to choose a t-shirt. Go with a basic t-shirt right now. I'm not necessarily looking to design any real specific product. Okay, so this is what we're going to do. So we've chosen our product, and obviously, as you know here, I'm in the mockup generator, and just real quick, if you are creating mockups, actually, if you're even creating something that you want to throw into your store, this is where you would go ahead and do it. You can choose all of these different colors. I would always stay within the similar color range, because if you're going to use a certain type of text or whatever, it would show up, certain text colors would show up better on light colors, and then certain ones would show up better on darker colors. So you want to keep them, more in harmony. But anyway, what we're going to do here is we're going to hit design, add text, and I'm just going to type out a text. Okay. I'm going to I'll type in arc tool. All right. And you can see here that, and it's new, that they have just added this. All right. So what this does here, guys, and again, it's just a really simple little tool that they have added in, okay, is you can go ahead and basically turn it into a circle. All right, so let's just say you have wanted to, I don't know, I'm going to try to find, like a circle here in their clip art collections. Okay, so maybe shapes and symbols, and here we go. We've got maybe a circle here. And this would be a great way, what you would want to do is go ahead and throw a circle in here. And this way you'd have something, you don't have to keep the circle, but you would have a shape here that you would be able to arc your text around just from the design perspective. Okay, to go back to it, you just want to hit that, hit edit. All right, and now you can start to kind of arc your text around the circle, okay? And there you go. It's actually really that simple, all right? So if you wanted to do a couple of other little design options, you can certainly take this text, you can create an outline around the text, okay? You can also create a shadow. Let's choose something that would really pop. All right, maybe we'll just, I don't know, go with that green color there. You can kind of see it. You can kind of see that a little bit better. All right. So these are just a couple of tools that, like I said, you would be able to go ahead and play with. All right, but the arc tool was actually really important. That was something that that was meaningful to me, because I can't even begin to tell you, I had to try to go to some other programs to create this effect, and it kind of bothered me. All right, and then of course you can add something on the bottom of it too. Okay, I don't know, you could throw in your logo. All right, change out the text of it. Okay. And then you can always, you would go here and you would arc that, okay? Something to that effect. All right, and then if you had already just gone ahead and designed it, then you don't need the circle anymore, then you just get rid of it. So guys, it's just a really quick thing I wanted to show you again on Printful. This is a free, design tool that they came out with, and you can always turn the grid off. kind of bring that up a little bit, center it. Okay. And again, this is a nothing of a design, but I just wanted to show you what you would be able to do. Again, all for free using Printful's free tools, free designer tools. So if you're looking to just create some free t-shirts, you know, and you don't have a lot of design skills and you want to be able to get in here, just start putting some stuff together, maybe adding it to your store. In addition to providing you with all of these different scripts that you can choose from. Okay, you now have the outline options, the shadow options. You can certainly change the text size. Okay, the spacing. You can rotate it. All right, and then you have this new, and if you want to go back, just go ahead and do that. All right, and now they have this arc tool. Okay, guys? So just a little something to think about when you're, you know, trying to investigate a t-shirt company to maybe start working with if you want to create some print-on-demand products, whether it's t-shirts or towels or mugs or anything like that, and you don't have any design skills and you don't know how to use any of the other design programs out there, this is definitely something you can start to work with. I hope you guys find this helpful. I will leave a link to Printful in the description box, and I say during this time, we're all kind of hanging out at home, flex your creative abilities a little bit and investigate things that you can do, maybe some different business models you can get into. And like I just showed you, you've got a couple of cool things that you can do here using Printful. All of this is 100% free. Stay safe, guys. Stay healthy, stay well. And if you like stuff like this, subscribe to the channel. I post videos about passive income, beginners, digital design, all that kind of stuff. All right. Again, guys, take care, and I will see you soon.